currently at the Rabobank in Utrecht, and I'm going to meet Janine Vos. She is one of our keynote speakers on Transformational Leadership Europe, talking about humanizing the age of work in transformations. And I'm keen to find out what that is all about.
I hope to bring to the audience awareness that this is a big topic, thinking about how can we humanize technology. I think your part could be, is first of all, be aware. And how's your organization? How do you think about the people side of transformation? Do you have a plan? Do you have policies in place for the risks which are attached to that? Do you have a story to tell? Is it a simple story because people don't listen to difficult stories anymore? And is it a story of hope? What can humans bring in the technology going forward? And who are we as humans? I think that is a great story which you can tell to your organization and bring people to the next phase together. I think that is what needed in transformation. A good story, good leaders, a tone from the top. Really reinforcement mechanisms, so how do you change inside an organization? And of course the learning part, reskilling, upskilling. How can you do that?